How to deposit crypto on Koinpark. First, log into your Koinpark account. Tap on the wallet icon at the bottom and navigate to the Spot wallet. Find and select the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit: BTC, ETH, USDT. Tap on the Deposit button next to the selected crypto. Your deposit address and QR code will appear. Ensure you select the correct network, TRC20, ERC20, before proceeding. Copy the deposit address or scan the QR code to proceed. Open your external wallet app or crypto exchange. Go to the Send or Withdraw section. Paste the Koinpark deposit address or scan the QR code to proceed. Enter the amount you want to send and confirm the transaction. Wait for Koinpark confirmations. Once verified, the amount will be reflected in your Koinpark wallet.